Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make construction reels. First, let's plan your project. Clearly define the purpose of your reel and who you want to reach. Think about the key stages of your construction project and what visual elements will best tell your story. Before filming, gather essential equipment such as a high-quality camera, a drone for aerial shots, and a stable tripod. This foundational planning ensures you capture all the crucial moments effectively, setting the stage for a compelling final product. Next, let's talk about capturing your footage. Aim for diverse shots, including wide views of the site and detailed close-ups of specific work. Time-lapse photography is excellent for showing progress over extended periods, compressing hours or days into mere seconds. Always prioritize good lighting and use a tripod or stabilizer to keep your shots steady. Capturing high-quality, varied footage is crucial for a dynamic and engaging construction reel. Now, let's move to the editing room. Carefully select your best clips, focusing on those that clearly show progress and important details. Enhance your reel with appropriate background music to set the tone, and consider adding a voiceover to explain complex processes or highlight achievements. Text overlays and graphics can provide crucial information, like project names or completion dates, making your reel informative and visually appealing to your audience. Finally, it's time to optimize and share your masterpiece. Export your finished reel in high resolution, like 1080 pixels or 4K, for the best visual quality. Keep the video length concise, ideally between 1 and 3 minutes, to maintain viewer engagement. Share your construction reel on professional platforms such as LinkedIn, YouTube, and your company's website to reach a broad and relevant audience effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.